Welcome to Redline Review.
2026 Volvo Limousine truck motorhome with a jacuzzi has been confirmed or released. Volvo's latest luxury motorhomes, especially the 2026 Volvo VNL series, offer impressive comfort and amenities. Luxury and comfort inside the 2026 Volvo VNL series enhances driver comfort and convenience, creating a home away from home. Key features: reclining bunk, a first-in-class mattress provided in most VNL variants for driver comfort. The versatile dinette is a foldable bunk that clamps against the back wall, offering adequate space for working or sitting. Volvo's parking cooler, a battery-powered cooling technology, provides nighttime climate management without engine running, minimizing noise and emissions. Advanced infotainment, 15-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for easy interaction. Customization, amenities. A built-in jacuzzi is not standard. However, Volvo RVs provide significant customization. Complete bathroom, shower, toilet, and basin for convenience. Gourmet kitchen provides induction stove, microwave, refrigerator, and freezer for all culinary needs. Entertaining systems. Large screen TVs and high-end audio systems enhance living. Luxury finishes, leather upholstery, and solid surface countertops create a premium cabin experience. Sustainability, performance. The 2026 Volvo RVs prioritize performance and sustainability. Powertrain options, hybrid or completely electric, with up to 450 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. Range. Electric models can travel 250 to 400 miles per charge, with fast charging reaching 80% in 45 minutes. Advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance offer a safe driving experience. Conclusion. While a 2026 Volvo Limousine truck motorhome with a jacuzzi is not available, the latest Volvo RVs provide unmatched elegance, comfort, and customization. Specialized RV conversion firms may offer aftermarket customization for jacuzzis,